to do some smoked ribs on our pit bull smoker. We have here, I have a mixture of the hardwood pellets, competition blend, and some of the apple pellets in there. Anyhow, we're going to go ahead and get these things seasoned up. I got 2 racks of baby backs and 1 full rack of ribs. What we're going to do first is we're going to put a binder on there. I got some yellow mustard. Get that binder on there. I have here a little blend of my own concoction here. Got some chipotle powder in there. I have some brown sugar, salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And here I have some smoked paprika and some chili powder. Get a little bit of heat. Also give it a nice coating on top. Going to give it some nice flavor. So hey, in the comments below, tell me what you like as far as putting binders on. Sometimes I'll just use some olive oil or some avocado oil. Sometimes I won't use anything. Other times I will put mustard on there. Since these are the baby back and they're a little bit thicker ribs, we're going to cook them with the rib or bone side down. Cook them bone side down. Okay, so we're a good 30 minutes into this, and you can start seeing a little bit of sweating going on here where it's starting to break up and you got some of that juice coming out. Now, I have here some apple cider vinegar, and we're just going to spray them up. It's going to help add some really good flavor and some extra juice and moisture to it. It's going to really help that smoke stick. Okay, so we are back here now. We have 3 hours cook time on the ribs. So you see here I got a couple pats of butter. I'm going to take a little bit, and I said earlier that this was chili powder. Chili powder is not. This is red pepper and a little bit of smoked paprika. What we're going to do is put that on there. Look at the mahogany coming out on that. That looks so good. Alright, we're going to flip these bad boys over like this. Right. Get on there. Like that. Now these are going to cook for 2 more hours with the meat side down. And then we're going to take them off. And I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it. Pull this one off here. Take a look at it. Oh man. Juicy, tender, and delicious. Alright. This is what we're going to do here, guys. A mech rib sandwich. Happy Eat style. Get us one of these cut rolls here. Take a little bit of the barbecue sauce. Pop them out just like that. Put that on there. Thing you get from McDonald's. But that's Happy Eat style, my friends. Alrighty. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Share this with your friends. Leave a comment. Until next time, God bless and happy eats.